As more organizations are increasing the digitization of their industrial processes, the integration between IT, cloud, and industrial control systems is greater than ever. This increased connectivity means even more exposure to cyber threats. And attacks on an industrial network can disrupt or even shut down production, resulting not only in huge revenue loss, it can also lead to dramatic human or environmental hazards. Detecting these threats requires decoding industrial protocols, which IT security solutions just can't do. Another key issue is that plant managers often don't even know what's on their network. Thankfully, there's Cisco Cyber Vision, a solution specifically designed to gain visibility on industrial assets and processes. It's built into your Cisco industrial network equipment, making it easy to implement at scale. No need to send traffic to additional security appliances. You see, Cyber Vision is constantly listening to your industrial network, decoding ICS protocols, and figuring out what is talking to what. The result? A map of everything down to the component level. Now you're armed with a precise list of all your assets, their vulnerabilities, and their communication patterns. From there, you can prevent attacks from spreading by segmenting your network. Cyber Vision makes security policies much easier to configure and enforce. It leverages Cisco Threat Intelligence and is fully integrated with the Cisco security portfolio. Secure your industrial IoT and start capturing the benefits of digitization with Cisco Cyber Vision. Learn more at cisco.com/go/cybervision.